Rubber tracks are the foundation of your compact track loader. Let's look at wear indicators and how to know when it's time for replacement. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Several factors impact track wear on compact track loaders. First is application, and the tougher the conditions, the more the track endures. For example, dozing and excavating are more rigorous than trenching and grading. Another factor is underfoot conditions, or the material you're working in. Compact track loaders can work in any material, but the more abrasive, the faster the wear. And finally, operating technique is one of the most influential factors. Aggressive operation like quick turns, high speeds, and operating on slopes accelerates wear. Maintenance practices can also impact wear. A properly adjusted track helps maximize life and, of course, productivity. So make sure your track is not too loose or too tight. And keep your undercarriage components free of debris to help extend wear life. Two measurements help you decide whether your rubber track needs to be replaced. First is track tread wear. Measure from the top of the treads to the lowest level on the top surface of the track. And second is track bar forging wear. Measure the distance between the sprocket and track interface. Ask your CAT dealer about whether these two measurements are in range. Or they can tell you about accessing SIS 2.0, where you can find a wide range of service instructions for your equipment. Finally, it's time for replacement if your tracks can't hold tension or the steel embeds skip over the sprocket teeth. For more information and support, contact your CAT dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.